So now I'm showing the charger for the drivetrain remote controlled car. It connects to the laptop just like that. I just charged the battery. I'm just showing this for demonstration purposes. Just for demonstration. Here we go. It prevents also overcharging because this is a lithium-ion battery. See, lithium-ion. It stays red, glowing red, and it stops when it's charged. It's gonna stop right now. Just like give it a time, and it will stop in front of you guys. Just give it the time. Okay, here we go. Okay, still. Okay, keep monitoring it. And this is a socket, the socket for the battery, which is connected to the charger. It's a very simple charger. Okay, here we go. Whoops, see, it stopped. So this is the charger for the lithium-ion battery. Just in a moment, let me show you something. So this is after it has been charged. See, it's very powerful now. Let me show you. There's a difference in the motor sound. Even the lights are brighter than before.